Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing Guru. Today we are unboxing and reviewing one of the most anticipated budget TWS launches from Samsung, the Galaxy Buds Core. These are lightweight, packed with features, and might just be your next go-to daily earbuds. So let's dive in. In the box, you get the Galaxy Buds Core earbuds, a compact charging case, extra silicone tips, and that's it. Now, directly talking about the design. Design-wise, these are clean and minimal. The earbuds are super lightweight, just 5.3 grams per earbuds, and the case is compact at around 42 grams. They are IP54 rated, so they are sweat and dust resistant, perfect for workouts and commutes. Plus, the glossy finish on the case adds a premium Samsung touch. But let's talk about the sound. The Buds Core pack in 12mm dynamic drivers, delivering deep bass and a wide 20 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range. You get support for AAC, SBC and Samsung's own scalable codec, which ensures smooth streaming, especially with the Galaxy phones. The ANC is surprisingly solid for the price. It reduces most background noise well, and there is ambient sound mode, conversation mode and real-time interpreter. This is where it gets smart, thanks to Galaxy AI. You get a real-time translation support, intuitive touch controls, and even auto switch between your Samsung phone, tablets or smartwatch. It also supports voice assistance, has a Find My Earbuds mode and even LED indicator for battery. Now battery is impressive. You get up to 35 hours total playback with ANC off and about 20 hours with ANC on, which is more than enough for a week's worth of use. Each bud has a 65 mAh battery and case packs a 500 mAh unit. Plus, yes, wireless charging is supported. Now, Bluetooth 5.4 ensures stable and fast connection. Pairing is seamless, especially with the Samsung phone thanks to fast pairing. Range is around 10 meters, and with the 3 mics per earbud plus ANC, your calls are clear and crisp, even in noisy environment. It also comes with FCC, BIS and NAMCO certification along with a 1-year manufacturing warranty covering any manufacturing defect but no physical damage. So, should you buy the Galaxy Buds Core? If you're a Samsung user or just want smart features like Galaxy AI, great battery life, solid ANC and seamless integration in a stylish TWS that are no-brainer in the budget segment. Drop a comment and let me know what you think about these buds. But don't forget to hit the like button, share button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews only here at Unboxing Guru.